Sherelle. Today I will be showing you this. Look what I got in the mail. I got some prescription glasses from Zeelool. Yes. I'm really excited to show you all these glasses. I am blind as a bat, child. I cannot see. The E on the test, that is blurry. So yeah, I just can't see. So let's just get into this first pair and pop up back. The pattern, the blocking. But these, y'all, yeah, I'm feeling these. These are called the Cascata. Cascata. These are bigger frames. It takes up more of my face. I just love the shape. It has that cat eye shape. Meow. Really love that. And upon closer glance, this has a tint of pink. She's a girly spectacle. And then you can see on the sides here, pretty standard type of sides there. I just love these so much. I can definitely see myself reaching into my case and just pulling these out. Okay, now for the next pair. Ooh, yes. Honey, she's looking classy, she's looking clean. These are perfect for when you just want a very clean look, clean girl look on your clean girl makeup days. This is perfect, and this style will go with any and everything. Zeelool is known for their really colorful and really creative glasses that just brighten up your whole look, gives you something a little different, a little cool, a little edgy. It just gives you a nice, sophisticated, classy look. So I'm looking like a librarian. I look like I have knowledge. Okay, I know things. All right. These are the glasses for that, and these are the Lamont. Okay, just so you see, the actual frames themselves are much smaller compared to some of the other bigger frames, and this is perfect for me because I have a little nose, if no one has noticed. And sometimes the big glasses kind of swallow my whole face. So yeah, I want something funky sometimes, but you know, other times I just want to keep it simple. And it's just this little detail right here on the side. And then the front has the same type of detailing with the 2 dots here. They bend with ease. They felt really good on my face already, just straight out the box. I like that. When I tell you I get so many compliments on these, it's ridiculous. People love these glasses on me. The fact that they're clear, but they also have like this design, this like crystallized effect that people are just drawn to. And every time people ask me, where'd you get your glasses from? Where'd you get your glasses from? I say Zeelool and the style Juliet. Juliet. Every time they want the Juliet. These are also a cat eye pair, you know. I pull these out more often than not, and it's going to be a battle between Cascata and Juliet. They're gonna have to duke it out, but no, actually, no one has to duke anything out. They're all getting put on. These styles are the ones to get. Let me tell you right now, go ahead and purchase, go to the website, get you one of these, okay? Now with the packaging, it came in this nice box, and each pair of glasses come in this pouch here. You also get the fiber micro cloths as well. They also give you a card. It comes with a coupon. Here you have like a ruler too. Oh, a PD ruler. I think that measures the pupil distance. I ordered from the website, and I already have my prescription from my optometrist. It was very easy to input the information. I selected the styles that I wanted. For 2 pairs of glasses, I paid around $100. That's nothing. I remember back in the day when my parents used to buy us glasses, it was hundreds of dollars just for 1 pair. This is definitely affordable for everyone. I went with what they call their advanced shipping, which was a little bit more. I mean, what's a couple of dollars when you're saving so much on eyeglasses anyway, right? And thank you for watching my tutorial. Until next time, bye.